Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. An espresso brown MB-Tex interior with a dark brown wood trim, panorama sunroof. Trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down third-row seats, lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS has 30,584 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.